Menstrual cycle. The definite rhythmatic cyclical changes in the reproductive span of human female constitute the menstrual cycle. The major events of the menstrual cycle include menstrual phase, follicular phase, ovulatory phase, and luteal phase. The menstruation onsets at puberty stage and is called as menarche. Menstruation is repeated at regular intervals of every 28 days in human females. The cyclic events starting from one menstruation till the next one is called the menstrual cycle. One ovum is released during the middle of each menstrual cycle. Menstrual phase. Menstrual cycle starts with the menstrual phase when there is a flow for 3 to 5 days. As a result of the breakdown of endometrial lining of the uterus and its blood vessels, a liquid comes out through vagina. This is termed as menstrual flow. Menstruation occurs only in the absence of fertilization. That means if the released ovum is not fertilized. Lack of menstruation is an indicative of pregnancy. At times, the conditions like stress and poor health also results for the absence of menstruation. Follicular phase. The menstrual phase is followed by the follicular phase. In this phase, the primary follicles of the ovary grow fully and become mature Graafian follicle. Due to the proliferation of endometrial cells, the endometrium of the uterus regenerates. All the changes in the ovary and in the uterus induces changes in the levels of pituitary and ovarian hormones. The secretion of gonadotropins like LH and FSH increases during the end of follicular phase by growing follicles, which in turn stimulates follicular development and secretion of estrogen. Ovulation phase. There is a peak level in the secretion of LH and FSH at 14th day. Increase in LH secretion brings about release of ovum by the process of ovulation. Luteal phase. After ovulation phase comes the luteal phase. During this phase, the transformation of Graafian follicle into corpus luteum takes place. Corpus luteum secretes large amounts of progesterone, which maintains endometrium. In the absence of fertilization, the corpus luteum degenerates. This in turn helps in disintegration of endometrium, directing to a new cycle. In females, menstrual cycles cease around the age of 50 years. This is called as menopause. Therefore, the reproductive phase extends between menarche and menopause.